All right, so you probably hear the timer. All right, there it is. It is now, it's been 1 hour since I began this process. I took a break, but while the bread was baking, I made 2 trays of cinnamon rolls. So, ta-da, that's how it is. It's a no-knead recipe. It takes 1 hour from start to finish, and it's absolutely amazing bread. I have one tip, and I learned this the hard way. Do not forget to add salt. Without salt, even the birds would not eat this shit. We tried it, we go, okay, we started, oops. Anyway, so yeah, we threw some bread out the back and found out it was that it sucked, and just sat there. We have ravens and crows in the back, and if we had seagulls, yeah, they probably had it, but that's a few miles away. Do not forget salt. Anyway, I hope you guys try this. Yeah.